This is a dangerous group, the groups that we're dealing with now.
It's really been a minute. Let me put my heart on ice. Goddamn, shit really going well. What the fuck is going on? I need to talk to the man about shit ain't really going smooth. I just wanna get the ball, yeah. Make a name for myself, yeah. Turn nothing into something. It's a no, it is a blowing up. It is a stay at the top. But wait, this is stress too. The shit got real. Let me show you how we do. Back to back with Slim Key. This and Mark and Rigby, this show and regular. Back to back with old blood, fighting for the same shit. The hood of my dark roll, with the last to say lie. Let's put them on the docket. It's a hard talk, a hard approach. Where we talk nothing more, yeah. Mama was no fool. Yes, I did go to school, yeah. Was never by the rules, yeah. Got my head jet and the cozy. Keep me sitting down in the studio, yeah. I belong, yeah, in the studio. Let me tell you how it goes, yeah. I'm a straight nigga, got a pain shit, wanna see it. I'm tryna be artistic, you should really be realistic. Don't you see, man, I ain't plastic. No, sir, I'm just talking on my bullshit. If I talk it, gotta walk it. If I walk it, gotta talk it.
This is a dangerous group.